Let's talk about my no-buy list this 2026. Rule number 1 is hindi ako bibili ng latest iPhone o kaya naman gadget, kahit ano pa yan. Kahit na sobrang galing ng marketing strategy nila, hindi na tayo tulad ng dati na mabubudol ng basta-basta. Actually, I was craving for a new phone last December pa ata. And buti na lang talaga, my laptop that I was using for how many years already, it was a MacBook Pro 16-inch 2019 and it's 2026 na. So, nasira yung kanyang screen and it would be expensive to replace the LCD, kaya bumili na lang ako ng bagong laptop, but it's not the latest. But yeah, I think this would work fine and I hope it would last me many years pa. Number 2 on my no-buy list are clothes. Something is required to be worn, like for a special event or wala akong mahiraman talaga, then hindi ako bibili or saka lang ako bibili. Meron akong outfit that would match a certain event na pupuntahan ko, then I would just look at my closet kasi for sure there are a lot pa dyan na hindi pa nasusuot ever since. Number 3 ay mga bagong subscription. So, ang sinusubscribean ko lang naman is Netflix. Hindi na tayo magdadagdag dyan. Ang ating gym it's already mandatory, I guess. Kasi it's part of the juice. So, might as well make the most out of it. 4 ay bagong skincare. I'm not gonna buy a new skincare kasi hindi pa rin sila ubos hanggang ngayon. I only have one face and hindi ganun, like hindi ko talaga, napaka-imposible talaga makaubos ka ng isang tub of skincare ng basta-basta lang, ng ganun lang, unless you literally massage everything on your face every night. So, yeah, I think I will not be buying a new skincare this 2026. Kailangan ubus na ubus ko muna yung laman bago ako bibili ng panibago.